Hello children, good morning to everyone. How are you all? Children, I am before you with a small story. I am going to tell you a small story on today's topic. So, I will start the story like this. Long ago, there was a small fairy. The small fairy is like you all children. She is so beautiful like your children. So, this small and beautiful fairy was staying at home like you all children. So, she was feeling very bored staying at the home. So, she thought of going out and she started flying. She saw a small garden and she stopped herself and she went into the garden. She saw over there alphabets playing. Who was playing in the park, children? The alphabets were playing in the garden. A to Z. You all know no alphabets A to Z. So these alphabets they were playing. She thought of playing with them. She went into the garden and she started playing with them. She felt very happy. She enjoyed herself playing with all the alphabets. Then from morning till evening she was playing. Suddenly it became dark and it's time for her to go back to home. So out of this A to Z letters, she became best friend with 5 letters. She became best friend with 5 letters. So she thought of calling them to her house. She want to invite all the 5 letters to the house. So she called the first letter. So the first letter came near her. The first letter was A. What was the first letter? A. She called the first letter A and she told, please come to my house. Yes, you all will invite your friends to the house. Like that only, this fairy also called A letter to the house. And also, she gave magic powers to A. She gave magic power to A. Then she also called the second friend. She also called the second friend. And that friend was E. Who was that friend? Who was that friend, children? It was E. She called E and told, you come to my house. We can have time. We both will play, she called. And she also gave letter E also magic powers. She also gave E magic powers. And after that, she also called another letter. She also called another letter which was I. Which was I. And she also called I to her house and she gave also I magic powers. Magic powers. Then the fourth letter, children, any guess? Yes, it was O. It was O. It liked O very much and also it invited to her house and gave O also magic powers, and also O was having magic powers. And the last one was letter U. As you know, it called U also and invited this U to her house and gave magic powers. And as it gave magic powers to A, E, I, O, U and said bye to them, and left happily to her house. So children, this was a small story about the magic letters in the alphabet. So our today's topic is about the magic letters, which is A. Children, repeat after me. What are those letters? They are A, E, and I. A, E, I, O, and U. What are those letters, children? A, E, I, O, and U. So these are the magic letters in all the letters. We have 26 letters. We have 26 alphabets. These all are 26 alphabets. In these 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U are magic letters. They are called as magic letters and also called as vowels. What are they called as? Vowels. These are called as magic letters and vowels. So here, children, they are called as vowels. Vowels. They are called as vowels. Magic. They are having magical powers. They are having magical powers. So why are they called as magical powers? Why are they called as magical powers? So each and every word has these vowels. Every word has vowels. Each and every word has A or E or I or O or U. Without these letters, there is no word. Without these letters, there is no word. So I will explain you with a small example, which is the word education. What is the word? Education. Education is nothing but study. Yes. So shall we write the spelling on the board, children? Yes. So here, what is the spelling of education is EDUCATION. Education. So in this education, we will see few letters. Is AE there on the top? Yes, E is there here. Then is D there on the top? No, it is not there. Is U there, children? Yes, it is there. Is C there? No, it is not there. Is A there? Yes, it is. Is T there? No. Is I there? Yes. Is O there? Yes. Is N there? No. So, children, look at the spelling once again. A, E, I, O, U. Education consists of all the vowels. Children, each and every spelling has vowels in it. So children, here's one more activity which I want to explain, which is I am going to write my name. I am going to write my name and find out what are the vowels and how many vowels are there in my name. So children, as you all know, what is my name? My name is Shushma. So I am going to write it on the board. S U S H M A. Children, can you find out the vowels in your name? So today activity is that you have to find out, you should write your name in your book and find out what are the vowels and how many vowels are there in your name. You have to find out. So children, let's look at the board. S is there? It's not there. Is U there? Yes, U is there. S, it's not there. H, it's not there. M, it's not there. A, it's there. So I have 2 vowels in my name. Children, I have 2 vowels in my name. So if you just remove the vowels in your name, it has no sense. Is the spelling complete? No, it is not complete. If you write only the vowels, it has complete, a correct spelling. So children, like this, I am introducing the topic vowels and how vowels are important in each spelling, in every spelling. Vowels are very important for us in English. So children, today's activity is you have to write your name and find out how many vowel letters are there in your name. Today's activity, children, once again, you should write your name, the whole name. If you are having 2 names, you should write the word completely, write the spelling completely and circle the vowels and write how many vowels are there in your name. Thank you children. Have a nice day.